Need to increase or decrease alarm volume on iPhone? Then you're on the right video. Today, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily increase or decrease the volume of alarm. Let's get started. First thing first, move into the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, you need to scroll down and move into sounds and haptics. In this page, you can see tons of different options. At the very top of the screen, you can see ringtone and alerts. If you want to increase the volume of alarm, tap on this white button and then drag it to right. Set the volume range according to your need. And if you want to decrease the volume, once again tap and hold this button and then drag it to left. It will decrease the volume itself. Well, this is simply how you can manage the volume of alarm. Or you can use the side button that is given on a device itself. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.